All right, so that's number one. Number two. Number three. Who wants to do number three? The 14th reaction down.
I will do that.
All right, Karen, hold on a second. Hey, stay focused.
I think they're still laughing at that. That's still funny.
Yeah, all right. Well, let's, whatever it is, stop. All right, 14th. Go ahead.
You just want me to tell you the
Yeah, go ahead. Read it.
N2 gas plus 3H2 gas yields 2 NH3 gas plus 91.8 kilojoules.
Wow, I don't know how to count.
There you go. Very good. That is correct. It's exothermic. Heat goes on the right. Questions?
Oh.
No.
No.
Next one down. 18. Annika.
53.0 kilojoules plus H2 gas plus I2 gas yields 2 HI gas.
Very good. Endothermic, energy goes on the left. Exothermic goes on the right. Endothermic goes on the left. Okay? And I told you my joke about this, right?
No.
It's a friendly reaction.
It says high.
Right, it says high.
And too high.
Okay. Second reaction from the bottom. Who's got it?
I'll do that one.
How about Morgan?
Yeah, Morgan.
All right, listen. Shh.
C3.
Hold on.
Did I count wrong?
Well, yeah. You did second from the top.
Oh.
But that's okay. So,
You fooled me there.
sort of. So,
Why would you do that? Why would you put bottom?
I don't know.
I was
So,
in the
hold
middle.
on. You read what you wrote. I'll let you know if you're right, and then I'll read the answer for
Oh, well,
everybody
I
else.
am right if I understand.
Well,
this.
let's go. Go ahead. C3H8
Gas.
plus.
I don't hear my name right.
Hey, you know
I think that's just 52.
502.
Oh, 502.
Yep.
Gas. Yield 3 CO2 gas plus 4 H2O liquid plus 2219.2 kilograms.
Very good. That is correct. Good job. And now, for the rest of you who read this correctly, from the second from the bottom, it's LIBR yields Li plus Br minus plus 48.83 kilojoules. So the energy's on the right.
What are pluses and minuses for? Is it like
Good question. So lithium bromide is an ionic solid, something you need to know down the road. And if you look up here, so lithium and bromide are together. LIBR, when you put it in water, it dissolves. And when you put something in water and it dissolves, it dissociates. Dissociate is the opposite of associate, which means break apart. Dissociates break apart. So the Li and the Br are now floating around in the water separately, and because they form what's called an ionic compound, it has ions, and the Li is plus and the Br is minus because the Li lost an electron and the Br gained one. That's why they're positive and negative. No one needs to know that right now, but you do need to know it down the road. What's that?
You can try to teach me that.
Because electrons are negatively charged. We're going to talk about that today. Okay, let's go to this sheet here. I'm going to show you how to do the first couple, then I'll just read the answers for the rest of them. I have them somewhere, I think. Okay. All right, so the first reaction, it says you have CH4 plus 2O2 yields CO2 plus 2H2O. It says, what is the value of delta H if 3 moles of water are produced? So here's how we do it. We go to table I, we look up that delta H for that reaction. That is the very first reaction, so it's negative 890.4. All right, so that is the value of delta H on table I. Someone tell me, how many moles of water do we have for number 1? 2, very good. So here's how we do our proportion. Look up here. 2 moles of H2O produces 890.4 kilojoules. The question says, what if you have 3 moles of water? How many, or what is the value of delta H? So this is from table I. This is what the question is asking. There's 2 moles of H2O. How do you know? There's a 2 in front of the H2O. This is on table I. So 2 moles in proportion with negative 890.4 is equal to 3 to x. Cross multiply, 3 times this divided by 2, and we get, I actually didn't do this, does anyone have an answer?
Negative 1335.6.
Yes.
That?
Kilojoules.
Okay. Questions on that one? Andrew, you
That
with me?
one flash.
No questions.
No.
Number 2. All right, this one is the friendly one again, HI. So if you go to table I, it's 53 kilojoules. So I'm going to leave my proportion set up. And if we look at it, what is it asking about? It's asking about I2. How many moles of I2 are in the equation?
1.
1. So it's 1 to 53.0. And then it says, what is the value of delta H? So X goes here. This is delta H on the bottom, moles on top. If we have 2.5. So 1 mole of I2 needs 53 kilojoules. How many kilojoules does 2.5 moles need? Do you need more or less than 53? More. Everyone look up here, please. If 1 needs 53, then 2.5 is going to need more than 53. Does that make sense that there's more moles, so you need more heat?
Yeah.
Okay, proportion. That's why we're doing this. It's proportional. Cross multiply 2.5 times 53 is
132.5.
1 what?
132.
132.5. Got it. 132.5 kilojoules. There we go. Questions? And it's positive. Positive. The other one was negative. This is positive. No questions.
No.
Okay, number 3. Calculate the value of delta H if 0.25 moles of CO2 are produced. Sam, you want to set up the proportion?
Yeah.
Okay. You were getting ready to raise your hand, weren't you?
Yeah.
Okay.
2 mole
2 moles
CO2 gas
CO2. Yep.
over negative 566.0
Yep.
equals 0.25 mole CO2
Yep.
over X.
Very good. That is correct. There's a 2 in front of CO2. The value of delta H is negative 566. That's on table I. Question wants to know, how does this number change if we go from a 2 to a 0.25? It's going to go down because that number is smaller. And Sam, what'd you get?
70.75.
Negative, right? Should be negative because that's negative. Can anyone confirm?
Yeah.
Okay, good. The answer to number 4. Positive 124.5 kilojoules. Positive 124.5 kilojoules. Answer to number 5. Negative 1664.4. Negative 1664.4
Yeah.
kilojoules. All right, put those away. And Willow, when do you want to finish this test? Olivia, same with you.
I do it today. Can I do it today?
Yep.
Tomorrow.
Why can't you do it today?